Looking for a well-equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2020 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport in red diamond. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls. Only 212 miles on the odometer. 8-inch touchscreen display. Rear backup camera. SIRIUSXM satellite radio. Split folding rear seats. 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number D5606.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.